soft bone, I would able to cut it. Look at that. Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to grill spare rib, about 1.5 kilo of pork rib, and I have 8 to 9 pieces of cilantro roots, 1.5 bowl of garlic, 2 teaspoons of peppercorn, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of sesame seed oil. This is salt, about 1 tablespoon. I might use all, or I might not use all, just to marinate the pork. And just sprinkle the salt. This salt is very fine and it's quite salty, so I will not be using all of the salt that I have. So I'm just going to also throw the ground pepper on it. Alright. So I have my spare rib marinated. For cilantro and garlic, I'm going to pound them first. Okay, we will pound the cilantro root just like that, and then I'm going to put in all the garlic. Okay, then now I'm going to put in all the pepper, black peppercorn. Okay, we are going to go ahead and use the ingredients that want to be pound and just rub on the pork. And then I'm going to pour oyster sauce on it and sesame seed oil. It's a bit messy, but guarantee delicious when it's done. Tie them up. Place it in the fridge for 1 hour, minimum 1 hour. If you can do it overnight in the fridge, it's even better. Alright, after 2 hours, I marinated this pork rib and I'm going to start grilling it now. I'm going to wrap the rib in the foil. So we will place our pork rib. And I'm going to take 2 more pieces just to cover on top. So we're going to fold in such a way that we don't allow the liquid that is going to form up inside to come out. So we will place it on the hot stove. I have the table grill stove. We're going to switch it on and we'll place the wrap on top. I will use medium heat. Just leave it here for 1 hour. 15 minutes pass. So every 15 minutes I will be looking at this one and keep turning them. It's very hot. Look at that bundle. It bulged up so much because of the hot air is ventilating inside there. So that is why it's cooking the pork rib slowly. Right, so it's time for me to turn it. So it's 1 hour past. I've switched off the heat and I will let the meat to be in the wrap for another 1 hour. Just let it to continue to soften the meat inside. Alright, I allowed this one to rest for about 45 minutes. So it's still hot in here. Let's open it up. It smells so good. Look at that. The meat is cooked and it's very tender. and it has a lot of gravy. So we'll directly grill this one on the heat. This is the chili dip. I have made it from bird eye chili, red and green, garlic, and some of the gravy from the pork, fish sauce, lime and sugar. It's similar to the seafood chili dips that I have made. You can look out for that, but just add on with the gravy from the grilled pork. Let me taste it. Wow, so nice, so delicious. I'm going to put in some more of this gravy, then we can take it out and serve. The meat almost done. Look at that. Alright, it's done. Oh yes. I'm going to switch off the heat and then we can serve. Grilled pork rib. Isn't that awesome? It smells so good. My whole house is smell of grilled pork. Ah, yes. Awesome. So tender. Even the soft bone I was able to cut it. Wow, look nice. We'll cut one more. With some chili dip. Try not to be very spicy. Wow, so delicious. Oh my goodness. The meat is so tender and enough salt, enough of the spices out of the world. And the chili dip is awesome. I'm eating with hand. You can eat by itself. You don't need to eat with the chili dip. It's as good.